Hello, my dear fashion enthusiasts. What a pleasure it is to see you again today on the Brandibay Fashion Channel. Settle in comfortably, because what you're about to see in the area Fall-Winter 2026 runway video is sure to shake up your expectations and reignite your passion for fashion. Trust me. From the very first seconds of the show, you can feel a fresh breeze. This season, while the industry sometimes seems bogged down by monotony and concern, Nicholas Aburn delivers his second collection for area with an energy that literally electrifies the room. The atmosphere transforms completely, the lights intensify, faces light up, and the pure joy of creation returns to the runway. It's a show as refreshing as it is daring. As the models walk by, it's impossible not to notice Aburn's influence. Straight from Balenciaga, he brings to area that clever blend of subtle provocation and unapologetic sophistication, all while honoring the festive spirit so dear to the brand. What I particularly appreciate here is the ability to combine radically different elements. Denim confidently rubs shoulders with cocktail dresses, while bold experiments with volume reinvent the essentials of everyday wardrobes. You'll see, for example, a raw denim miniskirt artfully tied like a ribbon, worn with a polo shirt reworked in its construction, a playful nod to those who love to toy with conventions. And what about the hoodie? Aburn transforms it into a wrap skirt that reveals an endless leg. Now that's a mischievous way to blur the boundaries between streetwear and elegance. The oversized coats are taken to the extreme with XXL back belts. Once again, quiet strength takes center stage, inviting you to stand tall in front of the world. But what also strikes me in this collection is the omnipresent festive and haute couture spirit. Some outfits are reduced to a simple vintage scarf, thrifted and then draped over the body with improvised refinement, an apparent simplicity but extreme sophistication in execution. Elsewhere, it's hard not to smile at these flamboyant tributes to the 80s. Sparkling lame fabrics, generous ruching, and spectacular ruffles, all interpreted with a playful touch, never slipping into pastiche. The show reaches its peak during the finale, where one might expect to see silhouettes inspired by Balenciaga's golden age under Nicholas Aburn. Yes, I'm thinking of that famous Met Gala dress worn by Jennifer Connelly in 2005. Aburn opts for a raw and tactile reinterpretation. Feathers and gazer give way to frayed fabrics that almost evoke high-end terry cloth. A bold choice, but one that's so appealing for those who love to break away from the norm. And then there are the sequin ensembles forming strange faces generated by artificial intelligence. A technical feat as much as a contemporary wink, adding even more depth to the collection. This video offers a different vision, one of fashion that dares without taking itself too seriously, that surprises while remaining accessible. You might find inspiration here to shake up your own looks, or simply to reconnect with the instinctive pleasure that comes from a beautiful piece of clothing. In conclusion, I would say that the strengths of this collection lie as much in its creative freedom as in its skillful blend of sharp references and playful spirit. The quality of the finishes and the intelligence behind the pairings are also truly commendable. If I had to temper my enthusiasm, I'd point out that some of the more conceptual pieces might throw off fans of a more classic style. But isn't that precisely the magic of area under Aburn's direction? Daring to step outside the box to better invent tomorrow. Thank you for joining me throughout this journey of discovery. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. I hope you enjoy watching the rest of the show. See you very soon on Brandibay Fashion, where we'll explore the next trends together. Take care and stay inspired.